Okay, so we're gonna try some of this Grace Jamaican style jerk barbecue sauce on some chicken wings. So I've got these chicken wings ready. I'm gonna put it in my air fryer basket. I always just usually put a little bit of seasoning on these. Oh yeah. That gives it a little extra boom boom. All right, let me go ahead and cook these. I'll be back, and then when I'm going to try it with this Jamaican jerk sauce and see what it does to these chicken wings. Be back shortly. Oh yeah, we're back. So let's go and see what this Jamaican jerk barbecue sauce is. See what this thing talking about. Very unusual smell. Doesn't smell like traditional barbecue sauce. Maybe just a little bit of that jerk. So we're just gonna put a little bit of this on this chicken wing. Just to give us an idea what it tastes like. That's interesting. This has a very almost bittersweet taste to it. It's not bad though. It's not bad. It doesn't taste like barbecue sauce or any barbecue sauce I've ever had before. This tastes and that could be the jerk flavoring that I might be tasting. But it's not bad. I might be able to do something with this. Now, if you like Jamaican style food or jerk, this might be more your thing. But if you're looking for a more traditional barbecue sauce, this may not be it. It's not bad. It's actually pretty good. I would give it a good 7, 8. But would I go out of my way to use it? Probably not, unless I had Jamaican friends or people that like this type of barbecue sauce. But it's not bad. I'm definitely not going to throw it away. Not bad at all. So, Jamaica's jerk barbecue sauce. Is it worth giving it a try? Sure. I don't remember how much I paid for this, and I don't even remember where I got it. Until next time, family. Eat healthy, live long.